Pause for a moment. Wherever you are, whatever you're doing, stop. Breathe. Now listen closely. 3 words have the power to change everything. I will win. These words are not motivational noise. They are not hype. They are a decision. A line drawn in the sand between who you are today and who you are about to become. When you say I will win, you are not predicting the future, you are commanding it. Winning begins with a choice. Not tomorrow. Not when conditions improve. Not when life gets easier. Winning starts the moment you decide that quitting is no longer an option. When failure stops being a full stop and becomes a comma. When obstacles no longer scare you but challenge you to rise higher. Most people want success, but very few decide to win. Wanting is passive. Winning is aggressive. Winning means you refuse to be average. You refuse to live on autopilot. You refuse to let fear, doubt, or comfort dictate the direction of your life. When you commit to winning, your mindset shifts. You stop asking, can I? And start asking, how will I? You stop waiting for permission and start taking responsibility. You stop blaming circumstances and start building solutions. Winning is not loud at first. It happens quietly, in the early mornings, in the late nights, in the moments when no one is watching. It happens when you choose discipline over distraction, when you choose progress over excuses, when you keep showing up even when motivation disappears. This is where transformation begins. Not with applause, not with recognition, but with inner alignment. Your thoughts, your actions, and your goals start moving in the same direction. And understand this clearly. Winning does not mean you will never struggle. It means you will never surrender. It means that no matter how many times life knocks you down, you stand back up with more awareness, more strength, and more resolve than before. The declaration, I will win, is not arrogance. It's ownership. Ownership of your life, your choices, your effort, and your future. So ask yourself, are you just hoping things work out? Or are you deciding that no matter what happens, you will find a way? Because once you make that decision, everything changes. And this is only the beginning, because next, we uncover what winning truly means beyond trophies and titles. Stay with me. Winning is often misunderstood. People think it's about trophies, titles, money, or applause. But those are outcomes, not the essence. True winning runs much deeper than anything the world can hand you. Winning is about growth. It's about the person you become while chasing something meaningful. It's about building character when results are slow. It's about staying committed when the excitement fades. Real winners don't measure success only by external rewards. They measure it by effort, consistency, and integrity. By knowing that when the day ended, they gave everything they had, even when no one noticed. Winning happens in unseen moments. When you train while others sleep. When you study while others scroll. When you stay disciplined while others look for shortcuts. These moments don't go viral, but they build unstoppable momentum. Winning is the relentless pursuit of excellence. Not perfection, but progress. It's about choosing to be better today than yesterday. Better habits, better focus, better standards. And let's be honest, winning is uncomfortable. It demands sacrifice. It asks you to give up temporary pleasure for long-term fulfillment. It forces you to face your weaknesses instead of hiding from them. Every time you push past resistance, you strengthen something inside you. Every time you keep going despite fatigue, doubt, or fear, you expand your limits. That is winning. This journey will test you. There will be days when results don't show up, days when effort feels wasted, days when quitting seems logical. But those are the exact moments that separate winners from spectators. Winners understand something most people never do. The process is the prize. The discipline you build, the mindset you sharpen, the resilience you develop, these stay with you forever. And here's the truth most won't tell you. Winning is lonely sometimes. Not everyone will understand your dedication. Not everyone will support your vision. But winners don't seek approval. They seek alignment with their purpose. So redefine winning in your mind. Let it mean showing up when it's hard, staying focused when distractions are everywhere, holding yourself accountable even when no one else does. Because when you master the process, results are inevitable. And in the next part, we confront the cost of winning, the price few are willing to pay. Don't look away. Let's be real. Winning has a cost, and most people aren't willing to pay it. Winning demands sacrifice. It asks for your comfort, your excuses, and your old identity. It requires you to let go of habits that feel good, but keep you stuck. It requires effort when motivation is gone. There is no shortcut to greatness. Every person you admire paid a price before the world saw their success. They struggled in silence. They failed repeatedly. They doubted themselves, but they kept going. Winning means waking up early when your body wants rest. It means staying disciplined when distractions are everywhere. It means choosing long-term vision over short-term relief. You will feel tired. You will feel overwhelmed. You will question if it's worth it. That's normal. That's part of the price. But winners understand something crucial. Pain is temporary. Regret lasts forever. Every setback you face is not a signal to stop. It's a test of commitment. A reminder to sharpen your strategy, not abandon your goal. Winning doesn't come from avoiding hardship. It comes from embracing it, from understanding that struggle is not a sign of failure. It's proof you're growing. The world rewards resilience. It rewards those who keep showing up when others quit. It rewards those who stay focused when progress feels slow. And here's the key. Winning isn't about beating others. It's about mastering yourself, your thoughts, your emotions, your reactions. If you can control your mind, nothing outside of you can stop you. So don't fear the cost. Respect it, because everything valuable demands effort. And next, we unlock the most powerful weapon of all, the winning mindset. Stay locked in. Winning begins in the mind before it ever shows up in reality. Your thoughts shape your actions shape your habits, and your habits shape your future. That's why mindset is everything. A winning mindset is not blind optimism. It's controlled confidence. It's believing in your ability to figure things out, even when the path is unclear. Winners talk differently. They don't speak doubt into existence. They don't reinforce weakness with their words. They speak with intention, with clarity, with belief. They don't wait for confidence, they build it through action. A winning mindset focuses on solutions, not excuses, on growth, not complaints, on responsibility, not blame. And understand this, your environment matters. Who you listen to, who you learn from, who you allow to influence your thinking. Winners protect their mindset like a fortress. They limit negativity. They surround themselves with people who challenge them, not drain them. They visualize success before it arrives. They prepare mentally for challenges before they appear. And when failure happens, and it will, they don't let it define them. They extract the lesson and move forward stronger. Winning is a daily practice. You don't wake up one day with an elite mindset. You build it through repetition, discipline, and self-awareness. So train your mind like you train your body. Feed it powerful thoughts. Challenge limiting beliefs. Replace fear with focus. Because once your mindset aligns with your mission, nothing can stop you. And now we take it further. Because winning is bigger than just you. Winning is not meant to be empty. It's meant to be meaningful. True success is not just about personal achievement. It's about impact, about contribution, about using your growth to elevate others. Winning becomes powerful when it's connected to purpose. When your success inspires others. When your discipline sets an example. When your resilience gives someone else hope. No one wins alone. Every champion has support, mentors, teachers, and teammates, whether visible or not. Winning is about building strong relationships, about lifting others as you rise, about understanding that collaboration multiplies success. When you win with purpose, your motivation deepens, your drive strengthens, your journey gains meaning beyond yourself. And this is what separates short-term success from lasting legacy. Purpose fuels persistence. And now it's time to bring it all together. Winning is not a destination. It's a way of life. It's how you think, how you act, how you respond to adversity, how you show up when no one is watching. Winning is a choice you make every single day. To stay disciplined, to stay focused, to stay committed, no matter what. You will face challenges. You will face doubt. You will face moments where quitting feels easier. But winners don't choose easy. They choose growth. So stand tall. Walk with purpose. Move with confidence. Say it, not quietly, not hesitantly, but with conviction. I will win, not because it's easy, not because it's guaranteed, but because you are committed. And when commitment meets action, victory becomes inevitable.